the expertise and information to get from this is going to be tenfold what our company really does. And then, yeah, it's always good to see people that you've seen before, see how they're doing, catch up, see how business is, those kinds of things. So I think the membership is invaluable, quite frankly.
The first thing that comes to mind is just the knowledge and experience of the membership and the association of itself. Like the things like the technical library, for example, there is a very large collection of decades worth of technical papers of really hard to find information. And then the members themselves, especially the more tenured ones, you can really find just about anything that you need just by asking. And that's to me, that's gold.
It's hard to understand what path you want to go down, and it's okay to not know what that path is, even within your silo, if you will, of your business. But coming to a group, or joining a group like this and being a member can help you define that path, because you're just going to be exposed to a lot of different things. So there's different levels of engagement you can get involved in. Again, meeting different people can help you personally define your path.
So we're always heavily involved in the safety meetings. Taking ideas from other companies is always a great idea when it comes to keeping your people as safe as you possibly can. So I think that's from a training standpoint, that's probably what we utilize most from the events like these.
It's helped me selfishly in an amazing way, is that it's put me in touch with basically the leaders of all the members. So anything that needs to be known, who you need to talk to, where, what their business is, what their needs are, and where help is needed, where support's needed, industry trends. You can basically find out just about anything you need from just talking to your fellow members.
My engagement here, my education has helped build my base. It's helped build my confidence level. It's helped me be a better leader within my company, with my colleagues and my customers.